Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Friday, March 25th. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. If we look at our calendar, we had 3 o'clock yesterday, and today it's 4 o'clock. So the big hand moved all the way around from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So it actually moved 1 whole hour. Now let's move into our Number Corner with our days in school. We're adding on another day, which makes it now 129 days that we have been together. Incredible, incredible. If we continue, we're going to change all of this information to the number 129. 129 here. The number words, 100 plus 29, and then we have 50 plus 50 plus 29. Today, we're going to add more to our collection, but we're going to count it as well. And it landed on the same thing, 1 dime and 3 pennies. 1 dime and 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget our coin song. Penny, penny, worth 1 cent. Nickels are worth 5. Dimes are 10. So we're going to use that to help us count our money for the week. We have 5 dimes. Each dime is worth 10 cents. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plus each nickel, that's worth 5 cents. 55, 60. And then each penny worth 1 cent. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 cents. Incredible. Incredible. So for this week, we have collected 69 cents. Amazing, All Stars. Amazing. What I do want you to do before we close out the Number Corner is this. I always want you to go and focus on telling time. I want you to sit here for a while and try to imagine drawing the hands on the clock to show a different time. I want you to practice that to help you grow as a person who understands how we actually put the hands on the clock to help us tell time. You can practice with different numbers. You could say 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and try to draw the hands on the clock. You can do it. I believe in you. Off you go.